Hello friends, welcome back. So we are up to our last step towards the order processing, that is sale return and purchase return. So for sale return and purchase return, first of all, go to vouchers, select here the F10. Now, as you know, for purchase return, we used to make a debit note, and for in the case of sale return, we used to create a credit note. So for first of all, I am showing you the last step of our purchase order processing, that is purchase return voucher, debit note voucher. I am creating here the debit note voucher for Drishti Enterprises. Now you have to give here your tracking number of debit note. So I am giving here the number 1, or you can say debit note dash 1. I am giving DN1. So this is my debit note tracking number, and rest of the details you can give, like your carrier name or agent name, bill of lading number, date, motor vehicle number, original invoice number, and the date as well, if you remember those, or you can check and post it. Now in the case of ledger account, you can create here and another account in the name of purchase return account. See, I can post this under purchase account as well, but when we see the ledger of purchase, then it will give me the view like all the purchases are done, but some amounts are in plus and some are in minus. So how is this possible? So for the bifurcation, I am creating another account under purchases group only, that is purchase return, so that I can bifurcate easily that what are actual purchases and what are purchase returns, that is our debit notes. So I am creating this purchase account ledger under my purchase group only. Now create this and press Ctrl A. Now select here your Asian Paints, and now list of tracking numbers are in front of you. Now you have to link this. I am linking this with DN1. Now you can give here your order number as well. I am giving here 10 units. Now rate, it will automatically pick, and press enter and accept the screen. So this is how you can give the reference as well for pending bills. Like I can choose here new reference, advanced reference, or on account as well. So I am choosing here against reference, against that purchase bills. So this is my return. Now press enter and accept the screen. Now if I go back and go to my display more reports, statement of accounts or account books, I am showing you the ledger of Drishti Enterprises, and I am just changing the dates so that it will be easier for you to understand. Now you can see here the purchase and purchase return. As I told you, that's the reason why I had created another ledger of purchase return. If I would had not created the purchase return ledger, this will show me purchase account only, and here you have to bifurcate according to this, that this is the purchase, this is your return. So that's why I had created one more ledger of purchase return. Now the balance, now your purchase order was for 75,000, your receipt note was for 75,000 again. Now you created the purchase invoice for 75,000, but after receiving the goods, after receiving the invoice, you notice that 10 units were damaged or defected. So for that, you had created purchase return or debit note for that party. After doing that, now the balance is shown, that how much amount you have to pay to that particular party or Drishti Enterprises. Same way you can do in the case of sales, or you can do in the case of credit note. I'm going back to my vouchers. Now press here F10, select credit note, select your party. Now tracking number I'm giving here is sale return 1. SR1. All right, select all the details, or you can mention each and every details like dispatch document number, dispatch through destination, carrier name as mentioned in the purchase note or debit note. Select Control A. Again, I am pressing Control A. Create here a ledger in the name of sales return by pressing Control Alt C. Take it under the group of sales account and accept the screen. Now I am selecting here Asian Paints. I am connecting it with incorporating it with tracking number SR1. Now I'm giving here of 3 units only. Okay, 670 rate is given, and now accept the screen. You can use here the against reference as we had done in the case of purchase debit note, and accept the screen. Now go back, go to reports, select here your account books, go to ledgers and select here your Komal Private Limited. Here you can see the net amount that you have to receive is 64,990 rupees. Is this clear to you? Now, when you make the receipt voucher or the payment voucher for purchase or receipt voucher for sales, then for that, what you need to do, the balance will be shown like 64,990 rupees for receipts in spite of 67,000. Why? Because we had posted an entry for debit note and credit note in the respective vouchers. I hope you have understood each and every step of order processing. And see, this is very, very, I can say, crucial step every company should follow so that they can generate more feasible and more correct reports to their senior officers. So I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt or any query, then please give me a message.